I am busier now than I've been in 4 years, probably.
Well, with COVID restrictions easing, a Knoxville travel agent says more people are looking into traveling internationally.
Raya Katane is in the studio to explain what you should know if you're leaving the country this summer. Good morning, Raya.
Good morning. Although you're no longer required to take a COVID-19 test to get back into the country, travel experts I spoke to say your health and safety should still remain top of mind. That's why Gary Teeter, a local travel advisor, says one of the most important things to keep in mind is travel insurance. That way, if you get sick abroad or something happens before your trip that prevents you from going, you're still covered.
It's really, really important to think about, yeah, it could happen. And when you consider the cost of the insurance versus the cost of paying it out of your pocket, it's very cheap.
Something else to think about is COVID restrictions at the place you're traveling to. Those at AAA say you should know that country's regulations before you get there. The company has a free online tool where you can input your destination, dates of travel, and COVID vaccination status to see if there are rules in place for where you're going. Another helpful tool is STEP, or Smart Traveler Enrollment Program. It's a free service that gives you information about safety conditions in whichever country you're going to. As for physical safety, trust your instincts the same way that you would right here at home.
Be mindful of your valuables. You know, if you have your wallet, stow it in a safe spot if you're in crowds, your purse, etc. Just be mindful of all of that.
We did recently tell you about the Maryville couple who died while on vacation in the Bahamas. Following that incident, the resort they were staying at says it's installing carbon monoxide detectors in all guest rooms. Coming up, I'll explain what we know about the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning while abroad. Back to you.